Hi, it's Angela Misenhimer, and I'm going to, or the app that I chose is Class Dojo, and I think this is an excellent classroom management tool for teachers to use in their classroom. I'm a middle school teacher, and I use it. So, first thing I'm going to show you is you go to, you just log in or Google Class Dojo sign up, and then you click on it. And you're going to sign up down here as a teacher. I'm already signed up, so I'm going to go ahead and click on my name. But when the screen comes up, when it asks you for your teacher information, it'll just ask for your name and your email address, and then you put in a password, and it's simple. You have an account, so it's free. And this is this is just a demo class. And this is a demo classroom. Here are the different student names. And then to add students, you click on the Add Students icon, and you can just type in a name. Oops, sorry. Okay, so see, you've got I added Tomboy there. Adding another one. So there I added 2 new students. So here you see them right there. They do have their little icons. Each student is assigned a monster, but they're on their own little monster avatar. So when you're through adding students, let's go back to classroom. Okay, I'm going to go into my classroom I have set up because I want to show you how. This is my classroom, and you can see these little numbers here. These, if you click on them, you see the feedback that you can give. For positive feedback, you have all these different areas that you can give positive feedback for. And then there's a need works ones there, which I don't have them on here. I just do positive for my class because I don't really need to do that for mine. I don't need negative ones. So if I want to change something in the classroom, I click on this little toolbar right at the top. And you can edit your class, you can connect parents, connect students, add co-teachers, and then it says finish the class. What I'm going to do is show you connect parents. This is a neat tool. You can, oops, let me click it. You can, it's easy to add parents. If you already have their email address or even their phone number, you can type that in and invite them, and they'll get it in their email or on their phone, or you can download parent invites. Let's see. And you can actually print out these letters to send home. And it gives them, this is to Justin Timberlake student. And this will tell the parents how to enter the code after you download the app. And then they will be able to they'll be able to look at behavior all day long of their student. Okay, so if I wanted to change, if you go to skills, you can add new ones. You can add new of the behaviors that you want to like homework. Well, that one may already be on there. Homework. So now I added behavior of homework. So if they bring their homework back in or bring their homework in, they get a point for that. I could add another one for classroom job. So if they well, I already had a classroom job in there, but if you so if they complete their classroom job, they will get a point for that if you click on it. Okay, let me go back. You can also, this is what the screen looks like when you open it up. I don't typically keep mine up on my whiteboard or smart board so they can see it. And so if I want to give, so I click on A. James. I want to give him a point for homework, and he gets a point for that. And it makes that little ding sound, which is really cool. If I want to do a groups, whoops, I didn't add a group. So let me go back to students. I can do the whole class and give them on. Let's say they're all helping others. They all get 1 point for helping others. And then you can see where it populates the groups right there. It's a really cool tool. I don't really use the portfolio part for the kids, but what I use is the messages, where you can send messages home. You can send a message to all parents. So that way you only have to send one message, and they all get it, but no one gets the other the other parents' email accounts. Or you can just send it to one. Well, I haven't added the parents on here yet, but you can also send just one simple message. You can send out classroom messages where it says class story right here. You can type in what's happening in the classroom in case you're having a party on Friday and you want parents to donate, I don't know, food. You put that in here, or if if you're getting out early on Wednesday, you can type that in for a reminder. If you need the kids to turn in some kind of trip slips, then you can post it there and parents can get that as well. So this is really a cool tool for teachers to use. Like I said, I only use positives. I don't use negatives. I don't use needs works in my classroom. So you can always add those, and you can add it comes up, but any kind of icon that you want, you can edit it as well. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this, and thanks a lot.